We will now go to Tenda del Perdono, the original Tent of Pardon. Ito yung lugar kung saan si Santa Maria Goretti ay namatay. It used to be a hospital, but now it has been transformed into a chapel. And so we are here inside the chapel. They call this Tenda del Perdono, the Tent of Pardon. This is the place where Maria Goretti died. This is also the room where she forgave Alessandro. She was stabbed 14 times, but she forgave him 14 times as well. When after 3 months in prison, that Alessandro was in prison, in a dream, Maria Goretti visited him and gave him 14 flowers. That's why in Tenda del Perdono, we can also have 14 flowers of pardon. 14 na bulaklak ng pagkapatawad. It is said that Maria Goretti suffered so much. There was no anesthesia. There was a surgery that was performed for her. And it was so painful, but she did not mind the pain. Maria Goretti did not mind the pain at all. If you are here in this place, you can really feel that Maria Goretti is here. I would like you to imagine her face grimacing in pain. It was here that, in spite of the pain and suffering, she forgave Alessandro. She found forgiveness in her heart. Andito po ako ngayon, mga kapatid. Nararamdaman ko po ngayon yung matinding pag-ibig na nasa puso ni Maria Goretti. At siguro, kailangan din matutunan nating magpatawad, mahanap din sa ating puso ang kakayanang magpatawad. Si Maria Goretti ay 12 years old lamang, 11 going 12, when she died. And yet, there was only love, forgiveness in her heart. If you are here, if you could only be here, I'm the only one here. Mag-isa lang po ako dito sa chapel. And it feels different, brothers and sisters. It feels so different. I could almost feel Maria Goretti's compassion. I would almost feel Maria Goretti's presence, and she's as if telling us, forgive, learn to forgive. Forgive, kapatid. Let us learn to forgive. Otherwise, there will be no peace. There will be no peace in our heart. So this is just a small chapel. As I've said, this used to be a hospital bed for Maria Goretti, and I'm all alone here. Siguro sinadya ni Maria Goretti na mag-isa lang ako dito kasi para dalhin ko din dito yung inyong mga hinanakit sa buhay, ang lahat ng mga galit, lahat ng mga tampo, ang mga nakaranas ng mga matitinding sama ng loob o injustices in your life. Now, until now, you're still looking for some justice for some crime that has been committed against you. Niloko kayo ng maraming mga kaibigan nyo, mga tao na pinagkatiwalaan ninyo, and yeah. Maria Goretti is here, and let us ask for her intercession. Ask for her intercession that you may learn to forgive as well.